Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: a government ID and a secure email. This speeds verification. Once ready, go to Binance and tap Register. Choose email or phone, then enter details accurately. Use a strong password, long, unique, and not reused. This prevents account takeover. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication right away because it adds a second lock on your funds. If your country has limits, prepare proof of address before starting ID verification to avoid delays. Next, you complete identity verification to lift deposit and withdrawal limits. Upload your ID exactly as requested, then take a live selfie, hold steady, and follow on-screen prompts. Use well-lit environments so images are sharp, and make sure all ID corners are visible because blurry uploads cause rejections. Once done, facial verification compares your selfie to the ID. This prevents fraud. If you hit an error, repeat with better lighting and a stable network. Small issues usually resolve quickly. Finally, secure and fund your account. Enable both SMS and an authenticator app for two-factor authentication, and save backup codes offline so you can recover access. Then, deposit a small test amount, say $10, to verify network and wallet settings before larger transfers. Once your funds show, consider enabling a withdrawal whitelist to limit where funds can be sent. If you encounter transfer failures, check address formats, network type, and fees. Mismatched networks are the most common problem and often the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.